CMBP has been relevant for my personal professional development because I have a background in international cooperation, and in my studies I have learned how important of a role China plays in the development and the cooperation world. And coming here and seeing with my own eyes the companies, how this society works, what is the work ethic, and just I understood very well. I understood more about China, this country which is very misrepresented in the West, and seeing it myself really made me understand that maybe I would like to continue my career here.
I suppose that this year is the year in which I will make some important decisions about the masters, about my future career, and so doing an internship could be an option, but the summers will give me the possibility and the chance to challenge the previous idea that I had before coming here.
CMBP, getting these international experiences and learning about the global business world has really opened me up, and I think I know what I want to do for my future now. I had visited China out of my own to see one of the most misrepresented countries in the world, and the moment I left the plane in the airport, I saw that China will be leading the world in technology and the future, and I think anybody who wants to get ahead in their career should be able to do business with China.
China is leading in many sectors. If we look at technology, if we look at innovation, they're really an inspiration for us. So it is important as a Western culture to understand their culture and their perspective in order to interact with them and also bring what we can learn from them to Europe or to other countries.
I learned how to work with an international team and with students from all different programs, from international relations, from business management, and I learned how to be patient and to make my opinions matter in especially building a business plan. I think the most valuable thing I take away from this experience are the connections I made here, both with the faculty members, which are just amazing with their careers here, which have been successful, and they were able to give me tips on how to start my career here, how to continue my studies here, but also with my peers, and I'm sure that these will be bonds that will last for a very long time, both professionally maybe and also on a personal level. So definitely I think that is the most important thing that I've taken away from the program.
See you, China! See you, CMBP!